The zoomies, people. Zoom, zoom. All right, people. Today we're looking at the King Bull Light Rider 2.0. This is their new version. It's $9.99. It's got a 750 watt motor in the back. It's got a 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery in this down tube. It has hydraulic disc brakes with 180 millimeter rotors. It's front suspension with the preload and lockout. It does not have rear suspension. It's got this nice rack in the back. It's got fenders. It's got a headlight, a tail light, and a crazy loud horn, okay? And it has 7 gears and 5 pedal assist levels, all right? Okay, it has a really nice display, really nice color display, big, large display with big miles per hour, how many miles you've gone, pedal assist levels, and battery up here. You got your gear shifter, you got a twist throttle, and this for the light, and then the horn, pedal assist levels. Okay, there's the headlight. There's the tail light. It's got 20 by 4 inch tires with some pretty decent grip. Definitely do some nice light off-road with this thing. And then there's the suspension forks with the preload and lockout. Okay. Pedal assist level 5, brass test. A little slow on the takeoff. We're going now. Okay, we're getting some good traction. We're increasing our speed in the grass. That's a very good positive. We're at 13 miles an hour, 14, 15. So it's got some nice pull through the grass, 16. But yeah, pretty nice. And it's got some nice traction, okay? Pretty good traction on the dirt here. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at us, look at us, look at us. That little mini wheelie, see that? You can do so many tricks on this thing. And yeah, it's a nice bike. You're upright. It's a step through. You got suspension. You got 5 pedal assist levels. 750 watt. For under $1,000. I've reviewed another King Bull bike. You can check that one out. This one has this full suspension. This one has front suspension and hydraulic disc brakes for this price point is pretty good. You know, and it's got some nice power. It says it goes 20 to 28. I'm not exactly sure why that range is there, but we're gonna check it out. Okay, we're gonna see what kind of speed we can get. Okay, and we're gonna do a little hill test. We're gonna do a little off-roading action. Check this out. This is crazy bumpy, but we're doing it. These nice big old, these nice wide tires will take you through just about anything. I'm not really feeling it. I mean, the weight seems to be in the handlebars area. So the fact that you got the front suspension, it kind of mitigates any bumps. I'm not really feeling much in the seat, you know? So, yeah. And that makes sense because there is no crossbar and the whole front tube is up front. And so that's obviously where a lot of the weight is. So, yeah, the fact that it's got front suspension is pretty good, you know? Alright. This is great for cruising, making friends, hanging out, going to see the neighbors, going to church, going to synagogue, going to the Buddhist temple, whatever the hell you are, this thing is perfect for you. Lunch with the friends, going to the park, the beach, going to work, going to the groceries, going to the gym. You got a rack on the back to throw your backpack down with a little bungee cord. You got options, people. You got options. Okay? Alright. So we're in throttle only, and we're going to see what kind of top speed we get. Pedal assist 5. So yeah, it hit 19.3 and it just slowed down. So maybe they're talking about if you're in pedal assist 5, gear 7, maybe you can go faster? Not really. I mean, sure, I can probably hit 20, but not even. So it really goes 19.5 miles an hour. And granted, I'm 6 foot, about 220. So I'm not really feeling the 28. Brakes work really nice, people. Look at this, we're on like a safari. We're in the middle of nowhere. This is like the Amazon. And we're just beating the bejesus out of this thing. Look at this. We're freaking flying. We're killing it. It's eating up the terrain like a freaking, I don't know what the hell it is. A gorilla, a freaking dinosaur, a alligator. I don't know. Something. It's eating it. Chewing it up for lunch. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little hill testing. Are you bearing with me, people? Just bear with me. Imagine you had a little cub and you took it everywhere and you said to people, bear with me. And they're like, what do you mean bear with you? And you're like, you know what I mean. Anyway, check it out. Okay? Pedal assist 5. Throttle only. Let's see what she's got, people. Come on. Sometimes I wonder if people just think, wow, this guy's an idiot and he talks to himself, or do they see the camera? Because I do talk to myself, but I do have a camera. I am trying to make a video. You know what I mean? Anyway, we're making it, people. Look at this, 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 look at this. We're at 7, we're at 6. We're still going though. I'm not meandering. No meandering. Look at that. We did it. Unbelievable. I just spit a little bit. All right, we're at 7. We're climbing now. See? 8. Look at this. Jeez. Wow, we did it. Isn't that something? So this bike, even though it's 750 watt, it probably, because we got up that hill, it probably peaks around 900 is what I'm going to say. Which is pretty good, people. So, with the hydraulic disc brakes and the front suspension and the 48 volt, 15 amp hour, and it peaks at almost, 900, 1,000. Pretty nice bike, people. I will say my son is about my height, and he's like, man, this bike is really tall. You sit up very straight on this thing. So, just so y'all know, it does have high handlebars, and you are up pretty straight, and your back is like really straight. So, yeah, nice bike. I like it, but a little bit more upright than the average bike. A lot of bikes, handlebars are a little bit lower and you're leaning forward. Not on this one. My back is almost like 90 degrees. It's kind of crazy. And then with the step-through design, this bike is for anybody. Anybody could use this bike. Even people with bad backs. This bike could be sponsored by the Chiropractic Association of America. Isn't that something? Nice sunny day. We're riding electric bikes. Bing, 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 bing. Look at that view, people. Look at that. Look at the sky. Thanks for riding along. I appreciate you. Brake test. Yeah, really nice solid brakes. I'm a big fan of the hydraulic brakes, people. Hydraulic disc brakes. Big fan. So, we're going to put it, first things first, we got it in gear 1. And we're going to put it in pedal assist 1. And we're going to start from basic dead stop. Okay? So we're at 10 miles an hour. Now, gear 3, pedal assist 2. I could even go to gear 4, pedal assist 2. We're at 14. Pedal assist 3, gear 7, we're already at the top speed. So, on pedal assist 4 and 5, just give me more power going up hills, I guess. So top speed, 19.5. You hit it in pedal assist 3. Okay? I like the first one they had too, the King Bull Light Rider 1. AKA the King Bull Light Rider. You don't really talk about 1.0 versions as 1, you just call it what it is. This one is the 2.0 version, okay? Got some gentlemen playing soccers. Okay. How cool is that? You want to do some uppy downy? Watch this. Watch this. Downy. Uppy. Downy. Uppy. See? It's actually downy uppy. It's not uppy downy, is it? Let's call it what it is. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. Look at these people. Are they going to move for me? Be as gracious as possible. Thank you. Girl had camouflage on. I could barely even see her. Just looks like a pair of walking legs. Anyway, we're just killing it, people. See that? How nice is this? Bow. Banana now. Or something. Do a little bit of mulch. Even though we're not supposed to, because we don't want to, like, we just did some mulch tasks, we did some grass tasks, we did some dirt tasks. Things can do it all, people. Everything. Everything. Do a little sand test. Do you want to? Want to do a little sand test? Let's see what she's got. You just wait. We will do a sand test. Okay? Banana. There we go. Are you ready? Are you waiting for it? Look at that. 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 We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did the sand test. How cool is that? Wow. Everybody is going to be jealous when you do this on this bike. Everybody's going to say to you, like, how does he do it? And I'm going to tell you how you do it. You set yourself up, you square up, you sit back on your seat, get some balance, and you just ride right on through, people. Look at that, those are freaking horses. Jesus. Anyway, we did it, people. We went through the freaking sand, we went through the dirt, we went through the grass, we went through the mulch, and it can do it all. Unbelievable. Okay? There you have it. The Light Rider 2.0, $9.99. King Bull. King Bull. Okay? Go get you one. She's fun. She's got some power. She's comfortable. You kind of do it all, people. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Hey there. And that's gonna do it. God bless. Peace out. We're gonna do a little zip zoomy down the hill here. Ready? Zip zoomy. Bow na 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 na. Bow na 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 na. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, we're gonna do a little zip zoomies. Ready? Hi, baby. King Bull. Bulldogs. Get it? You get it. Everybody gets it. Hey there. He wants one. She wants one. Right now.